For Machima to safely have a new litter, she needed both her cubs to leave home. But Dukunga was still hanging around. Dukunga was not ready, and if he was pushed out now, he wouldn't survive.
So this is one day when Dukunga climbs this warthog burrow, saber-toothed. He's not going to take fail for an answer. So he follows this warthog and he tries again. To kill a fully adult male warthog. He proved us all wrong. Yeah, it was a proud moment.
The water kill really changed Dukunga's mindset. And this was now impacting on his mother. Physically, he was dominating her and becoming a threat, not just to her, but to her unborn cubs. You could see the relationship beginning to break apart. The familiarity and the kindness was gone. He turned his back on his mother's territory and decided to take his own path.